Today I'm going to talk about our calculation feature, which is super powerful. It's very robust. It allows you to create your custom metric, custom formula in the system. It's like typically what you do in Excel spreadsheets. It will allow you to do that within the platform. So it's essentially will allow you to add a custom metric to your reports, more like a secret sauce that maybe only belongs to your agency. So in order to proceed to calculations, you go to administration and you find calculations. And from here, again, you can select the plus button and start giving a name. So today, let's say I'm calculating my ROI, and I am selecting my service, whether it's just one particular platform, AdWords, or all of my display channels, let's say AdWords or Facebook. I can actually create my calculation across various different platforms. And then select whichever the data view you want to add that, and whether it's a currency, it's a number, so you select your data type. In this case, since ROI is a currency cost information, I am going to use currency. And that's really it. From here, whatever the formula is, you can select, you can enter that equation and hit save. By doing so, you are adding a new metric in your system called ROI.